I'm straight from off the west side. True bitch, and I come from off the west side. Real bitch, and I'm straight up off the west side. True bitch, and I come straight off the west side. What's up, you guys? It's your girl Jerica, and I'm back with another video. This time it's a little different from what I usually do. You know, I'm just always telling y'all about my business and my life and my stupid stories that I always got. Well, today I am here to tell you about my wig. Look at it. Don't she look cute? She's cute. Yeah, so this is going to be a hair review today. As you can see, it's curly, nice and wavy. And this hair is from Beyani hair collection. That is Beyani. I follow Arrogant Tay. I don't know. I follow Arrogant Tay though on Instagram, and I see that most of the people that he do their hair, baby, they be having this hair. So I had to see what it was about, cause baby, he be slaying some. He slays some shit. But as you can see, I love it. I've had this in for a month, and it looks good. It looks really good. Like when I wet it and. When it's wet, it looks really, really good. Like this is really good hair. I would say this. I got a 16-inch frontal, so y'all see. You see me trying to lay my baby hairs down, you know, to the side. So I don't want to mess up the style I got going on. But this is a frontal piece, and the rest is sewed in. So I have 16-inch, 18-inch, 20, and 22. That's what I have all together. It cost me $450. For the weave. They said the shipping will be delayed a little bit due to like COVID and stuff, but I honestly didn't wait that long for it. Like I placed the order on a Friday. I probably got it next Thursday, whatever. Yeah, so I was really happy with that. And then one thing I can say that is really good that they can do is, like, I know everybody cannot afford $500 hair. I can't even afford this, but it was for my birthday, so you know I had to show out. But for people that really don't have 500, just dish out whatever, but you still need good quality hair. And because honestly, I'm gonna keep this for a year. You think I'm playing? I'm about to change it about 5, 6, 7 different colors and do everything I can with it before it starts falling out. Because I'm not wasting. I'm getting my money's worth, period. Okay? I'm not rich. So yeah, I need some of my money. I need it. But as far as what I was saying, look at me getting off topic. What I was saying is that if you don't have the like $450 just to pay out the pocket, they started this thing called I believe it's with Afterpay or Quad Pay, Clarnet, one of those installment plans. So you can now split your payments into 4. So you can just pay 25% up front and then pay the rest off over like 6 weeks or so. I know that works for a lot of people. So if you are somebody who's balling on a budget, I definitely am. So the next time I order some weave, I might be paying in installments. But yes, yeah, that was another good thing that I thought was pretty dope, because this hair is totally fucking worth it. It's worth it. I promise, it's worth it. And I'm cheap. You can ask anybody that know me. I am cheap, bro. I do not know. I'm not going. You said what? You said pay for what? Pay for water. I don't pay for water. Water's free. But no, yeah, so that was a good thing. It's really, really good hair. Now, let's get into the actual install itself. My girl, Tiana, installed it for me. Dior Tresses CO on Instagram. But yeah, like I said, I had it in for a month, and it's really good. I feel it, but to maintain it, I think I'm starting to be obsessed with Tay at this point, because he put this product on his Instagram, and I went to buy it when he posted it because it worked. I told y'all he be slaying, so I gotta see what the slay about. But this right here, this is Grip Gel Ultra Hold. Y'all see that? Look at that. This right here, and it got castor oil in it, like for real. This, you place this as the gel, basically as the glue. You blow dry it, let it dry. Then you come back around with this right here, super hold spray, which also is infused with castor oil. And you come back and just, you know, do a little squirts so it can hold its place. And when I say, like, I use it in the morning and then by the end of the night it still be in place. Now y'all can't be just doing backflips and shit thinking the shit was still gonna be in place, because that's not gonna work. But if you just, you know, regular go to work or something, just a regular day, it's gonna work. It's gonna keep a hold. Both of these products together, I ordered them for like 20 bucks together. And that's, I don't know if I think it was with shipping and everything. So 20 bucks. Really good products. And it's a lot. Like, it's a lot in here. Like, the little tube of bonding glue I got for my wig cost me, like, I bought it from the hair store for like 18 bucks. And when I say, I don't even use it. Just wasting my money for a little tube like this big. And this was cheaper, and I get way more. Can style my hair way more times. Like, it's not even a question. Now, to keep my curl how I want it, usually I spray a little water and conditioner, but this mousse right here, baby. They have another one that's like a red label, but I decided to go with this one because it makes it a little curlier. But only thing I don't like about this is that it starts to harden. I don't like a hard curl. I know it stays intact, but to me, I don't like it. It just looks crunchy. Like, I wish you would get smart with me. You old crunchy head ass bitch. Not gonna happen. But no, yeah, so, you know, just a little bit in my hand. A little bit. And then this is just what I do. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, look at that curl, baby. Yeah, she's beautiful. She's beautiful. So I definitely will be ordering again. Next time I think I'm gonna order a wig from Beyani and review that. But this hair is definitely worth it, y'all. I promise y'all. I ain't even gonna beat y'all. I will not tell you to go get something that I want to get myself. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Period. You feel me? I'm not gonna say nothing that I wouldn't by myself. And it looks good. It's been in for a month. I'm gonna have her take it out and color it and install it. And when I color it and install it, comment below what color I should actually color it. Give me some ideas. Give me like pink, green, blue, something exotic. What you think I'm gonna look like? Okay. But yeah, comment below. Subscribe to my channel if you didn't already subscribe. And I'm gonna see y'all later. You already know what it is. Peace. Fucking loser.